What's good? How's everybody doing?
But I will not take a trade. I will not take a trade if we don't get that. If we don't get that hourly gap, there's no way.
What's going on, guys?
Yep.
Yo, Nick.
Man, I just love waking up seeing Bitcoin dumping.
Yeah, dude, it's fire.
Pretty nice.
What are we at 69?
Yeah. Last
Hell
time I
yeah.
checked.
Hell yeah, we are.
After that, we got 6, 7, and
Dude, I have a feeling that this is gonna go to 49 faster than we thought.
yeah.
Yeah.
Because we've only been seeing days on Bitcoin where it's I think the max that we saw was a 7% down day.
Yeah.
When Bitcoin is when it's ready to bleed, it'll bleed double digit percent.
Yeah.
Like 15%, 20%.
What's your plan for looking back to the upside? I mean, waiting for a weekly to inverse or something?
So basically my plan is literally just because I'm gonna be long term buying the fuck out of this. I will be
I already
periodically.
am.
Yeah, I'm periodically buying every time we drop 10,000. So I bought at the low at 74, and then I'm buying again if we go to 64. I'm gonna buy again if we go to 54, and then I'm gonna buy again at 49, and just keep on DCAing into long-term positions
Hedge fund.
as we go. That's my plan. But it's stupid not to buy here. Damn, I don't think that we're gonna get this hourly gap tag. This thing just looks so heavy.
I hope we do.
All right. Yeah, so that's actually something I marked off on my charts earlier. Just the 1 hour gap is really all I was watching to the downside. I mean, are you looking at upside at all or
No.
no? Yeah, me either. Like the 4 hour candle is about to close to that previous day low. I can't long. You know what I mean? If
Definitely not.
if people were to long, you got to be quick, right? I mean, you have to look for very very good displacement to the upside with a clear draw, and you gotta be going break even pretty quick because whenever you're on the opposite side of order flow and trading against it, those trades tend to be pretty quick, right? Because they're manipulation, right? They're not distribution. So there's not gonna be a whole lot of entries for you. Let's see here. All right.
But I do think that we go back up eventually on Bitcoin. Oh shit, my bad. I was reading TikTok chat.
Yeah. Can you
But
guys
yeah,
hear Matt all right, by the way, in the background, YouTube chat? I can't wait for it. If it hits 49K, bro, which I don't see why it wouldn't, but
I see that as literally a fucking magnet, bro.
I've been you know how long we've been watching this 49.5 level for? Like how it just sticked out to us for the longest time.
Yeah, damn near the highs. Someone goes, "You showed me Kalshi, and now I have a gambling addiction." Fire. Nick, who do you think is speaking of Kalshi? Who do you think is going to win the Waste Management Tour in Phoenix?
I mean, I think an easy one to go with is Scotty, right? He won last week.
Yeah, I put Minwoo Lee for a 93x. 50 to win 5K.
I mean, you can't beat that, right? Earliest I'd enter a trade probably is like 935, 940. I mean, Matt tried to enter one yesterday like 925, but the only problem with it was like obviously trade of eight was down, and it worked out. I just think
It was a fucking 2 candle TP.
most people should either pick one or the other because the results are gonna be so different. You know what I mean? Like in your data, like it's gonna be all over the place. So I would either do trade, but like if you see a setup before news, take it. If you like don't want to wait, if you want to wait till after. You know what I mean? Like
I would only say take a trade before equities open if the stop loss placement is logical.
yeah, because you got to think 9:30 open is pretty much like a red folder, right? Every single day.
Yeah, I mean, I'm going to be honest. News every single day this week hasn't really done shit.
No, it hasn't.
9:30 open is only
We've got
driver.
10 a.m. news today, right?
10 a.m. is probably not going to do anything either.
I didn't see
Yeah, it's
how
literally-
I didn't see how Monday's move fooled me for the rest of the week. You know what I mean? Once we got below this 4 hour, like that pivot low from Monday that we made, Matt, I was like, oh my God, Tuesday's high of the week. You know what I mean? Like it completely inverse the 4 hour and then shot lower.
Yeah.
I didn't see that coming. I think someone in the chat said they did, which is great, but it was kind of crazy for me. 15 minute. Then there's nothing really even on the 15 minute guys. Like it's just a bunch of wicks in here, so I can't really. I'd want these highs to get taken, but this is also the hourly fair value gap. So I'm just gonna be sitting here watching the hourly until at least until 9:30 open, 9:45. See what prints.
Yeah, we have two situations today, honestly. It's either the open just melts us and the S&P 500 goes down to that 6814.5 level, which is that daily external low that we already took on NASDAQ. If we don't do that and we don't do that at the open and the open pumps us higher, I'll look to frame the shorts from the hourly bearish fair value gap. That's the only thing that I'll be able to do today.
Yeah.
Basically 2 minutes until the open. So we will see. Matt, what do you think about some sort of setup on YM to previous daily low? Yeah, I mean, like it's the same sort of stipulations here.
Yeah.
I'm just basically looking at the only SMT that I have that's valid is the SMT at the Asia highs that we have here, which is why I'm prioritizing the S&P 500 primarily because it's the weaker asset and it has the best draw on liquidity. If we get any SMT between the 8 a.m. and the 9 a.m. candle, then I'll be looking for any short. That's all I really care about.
Yeah.
But since my SMT is all the way up here at 7 a.m. and price has already expanded so far away, I can't do much right now.
It is nice to see that we have a draw on ES, which is at January 21st low. I think that's my objective for the rest of the week. That's only another
Let's see.
35 points on ES. NQ, I don't really know what it can reach for. I mean, it's probably just going to reach for... I'll probably just use it with ES.
Yeah, I mean, if Nasdaq's going to trade any lower, it's going to go to that 25,151. which is the low, which is this low on the S&P 500, 67.71. But S&P 500, in my opinion, just has the best draw. And then the Dow Jones going to previous daily low.
Yeah.
But everybody set your alerts at that hourly gap.
I'll put that here. Set alerts at 1 hour bearish gap.
We might get it on the NASDAQ. I like how there's like a little SMT between the 7 a.m. and the 9 a.m. candle. We got a minute until the open. I'm hoping that we don't just die from here. We might honestly look at the Dow. The Dow's kind of creaming. Yeah, we're getting fucked. Oh my God. Chill. Holy wick. I look away for 1 second. What the fuck was that? All right. Here we go. See what happens. YM's kind of flipping here.
Yeah. Yeah, make sure y'all like the stream. Maybe do a giveaway later. Since we don't have NFP tomorrow. Man, I put out a reel last night talking about NFP that I recorded like 2 weeks ago, like last week. And people were like ripping me in the comments. It's like, NFP's not tomorrow, bro. Check the Forex Factory. You don't trade. It's like, bro, like.
Knew that was coming.
It was mainly just like how to do it was the value of the video. It wasn't. You could do it on CPI, NFP. It's like, dang, bro. Like, y'all just mean.
Yep, social media is a dangerous place.
That hourly gap.
RTY did.
I got called an MPC or whatever. It's like, like,
The opening of the 5-minute candle from the open is flat.
Yeah.
I think this thing is just going to die.
mm-hmm.
We will see.
Let's see.
The short idea is chopped if we take out this low.
Let's see. I'm Let's see. Now that I'm looking at like Bitcoin too, usually when it usually always gives you the sign that it's going like the low was put in. Like whenever that is that huge candle back to the upside, like you better like that's your first confirmation. You know what I mean? Like there's not a whole lot of fake outs with Bitcoin. That's one thing I like about it.
Oh, yeah.
I'm still waiting on this 49,000 level. If that hits, bro, oh my God, I'll look like a I'll sound like a god in my freaking in real life group chat. Like, hey bro, like what should I buy? Like April 9th of last year, I told them to buy Apple, Amazon, and VOO, and like damn bro, like hey, like they texted me yesterday, like hey, what should I buy right now? I doubled my money on the last call you made, and I checked the date, and it was April 9th, and it was literally the low of, like the low, like it was April 9th was right here on this candle high. It's
Yeah, dude. If we go to 49K, I will act homeless for like probably 6 months because I will have no money to do anything because all my money will be in Bitcoin. All right. We're flipping kind of here on the Nasdaq. We could get this tag of this hourly gap.
I don't even see any 15-minute highs. Like I think I would just want price to run in this gap.
About to get this hourly gap tag on Nasdaq.
Yeah, 10 a.m. wouldn't be a bad play.
A little bit higher. A little bit higher, bitch.
Do all these highs
24.8.
up here scare you at all?
No.
Yeah, I think the only way I get scared of that is if from now until 10 o'clock we inverse that.
I mean, it's just going to be a discretionary part where like we'll be able to tell if there's no like if this move back into this hourly gap, if we are reversing from this point, we'll be able to tell based off of a lower time frame structure. It'll just be as simple as that. I
I was
mean,
thinking about
we can adapt fairly quick.
yeah. I was thinking about this order block and longs. I don't know about longs, bro. I think you need to wait for more. I wouldn't even say higher time frame confirmation. I would say like intermediate time frame confirmation. If you want to catch like the low or the start of the move higher. So I think an intermediate confirmation because the daily looks like bearish, right? So if you go to like the hourly or the 4 hour charts, if we were to inverse this gap back to the upside, that would be like an intermediate confirmation on the time frames, and then you could look for like a lower time frame entry model to the highs. I don't think down here is like it. This would be, I guess, your I don't even know. I think this would be a gamble. I'll just be honest with you.
All right.
Or maybe you're a scalper and you're playing the move back into this hourly gap, and then once we get here, you're going to short. Who knows?
What does gold look like?
Oh yeah, what is the fear and greed index on crypto right now?
Dude, gold is not clean. Gold was clean. Gold was stupid clean during Asia, bro. Look at this. Guys, look at this was nuts. Like 4 hour gap we had here, tag, SMT with silver, 15-minute time frame. We had this up close candle from what is that, 18 from 6 o'clock, trade higher into the gap, close below, IFVG aligned with the order block, shorts down to this low. Like this is the cleanest. Look at this session and then look at how New York is. Golden, I made a TikTok about it because I was like, damn, like I understand the lore now. Oh, hourly gap tag on NQ. Fire. Now we wait. And we'll be able to tell if we will reverse from this point or if price is going to inverse that hourly gap. Basically, if we lose this SMT that we have right now between NQ, ES, and YM.
Yeah, fear and greed index is kind of crazy. Like this is, I'm gonna share it with you guys. Just real quick while we're waiting for price to. Like, if you look at come on, guys. You know what I mean? Like this is actually. Yesterday was a 14, so it was extreme fear. Oh my god, bro. This is crazy, bro. If that's not your tell, I don't know what is. Like that's a good start. Like whenever you see like the greed, like the fear on crypto or Bitcoin like that, like it's a good place to just start buying. You know what I mean? Like you don't need to like throw in like a lot, but you're probably gonna be way better off in 6 months if you had bought when that thing's going off. So, I got some comments here. Asia gold was so crazy clean. Hoping for IFEG and order bot for longs. Yeah, it is kind of crazy. I'm gonna watch the 5 minute now.
I'm watching this 5 minute up close candle from 9:35.
Yeah, I did.
This works. Boom. And that.
Definitely a good place to start. I think.
That's like actually perfect. That is what I want. If we crack the high inside of this hourly gap, this short idea is invalidated. Well, we technically could trade into the hourly gap still on the S&P 500 because we'll have SMT with the Dow, but I would much rather have this be a case scenario where we trade lower from here and we hold this SMT like this. And then I'll take that short.
I think I'd rather keep the S&T, bro.
Yeah.
I don't. Because the weaker ES is, the better. Because it still has room to go lower. Like it can go down to this January 21st low, and I think if it starts to push up here with a lot of speed, then to me that's kind of like something I
I'm
don't
getting
want to be
ready.
a part of.
I'm getting
Especially
ready.
after around this previous day low. I'm gonna get this on the chart.
It has to close below here. Has to close below here, retag, and then I short. If it doesn't do that, then it's going to go higher. I'm looking at ES.
Need a gap first. The daily volume imbalance. The one right here. Yeah, I see what you mean.
It could be a market maker buy model, but I would again like if we crack this high, then I'll reevaluate, I'll readjust.
Yeah. If you would be conservative, wait for just the hourly close. At 10 a.m. Like 10 a.m. is gonna be a huge driver today.
VM, I would restart Discord and then come back in. The S&P 500 still can tag this gap because of the Dow Jones.
Yeah.
FYI.
Bro, by the way,
Take
my
this away
wife
from me.
made this juice, and it is like so good.
Like a green juice.
Yeah, like she got this like juicer. Boy, it is good, bro. It's like a lot of stuff other in it.
That's really, really good for you.
Yeah, no, I'm not really feeling the best, but like I started drinking that yesterday and starting to feel 10 times better.
All right. So as of right now, price it's looking like the S&P 500 is probably going to trade into this hourly gap. That'll still be okay with me if we do that. This imbalance here, like I personally, I'm still not bullish whatsoever
I'm not
unless
either.
all three assets tag the hourly gap.
Tag, you mean inverse?
No tag. It'll also be dependent on what 10 o'clock does too,
Yeah.
because we can still create an SMT within the hourly gap at 10 from the 10 o'clock hourly candle.
I mean, this buy side does stick out right here at the 055, but if we get displacement lower, I think that's the key to me.
I agree, RT. But I think we're gonna get a tag of all three. That's the thing.
Let's see.
RTY is pretty much inverse that gap.
Bro, I was just gonna say that.
I'm bullish on NQ. I'm long from that first FEG. Like right around in here. Yeah, I don't hate the long at all. In order for me to take a long, I have to wait for the hourly to get inversed, and that would
Oh my
confirm that
god,
bearishness is not in play. Plus,
bro,
got 13 minutes.
it is a pretty decent sized SMT with RTY. Dude, look at the hourly candle close that could potentially be put in
On which one?
on
RTY.
RTY, the Russell. This hourly candle
Oh my
close, if
God,
it
yeah.
closes above, if it closes above this candle from 7 a.m., that's literally an hourly order block with a daily SMT. Oh wait, no, it's not a daily SMT. Sorry.
Thoughts on NQ's daily's average daily range being used for lower? Yeah, uh, I would say the past 3, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, have all kind of printed the same almost. Looks like Thursday's looking like it's gonna print similar. I'm curious to see like what happens once we ran this external low, like we did yesterday. Because usually when we do that in a bullish market, it usually pops back up pretty quick. So that's why I want to see this hourly get inversed. I mean hourly FEG get respected, and then I'll look for shorts. If it gets inverse to the upside, I'm like, could be a fake out for shorts, and then go higher, back into this range. You know what I mean? That's been in for 2 months, right? I will say, if you look at the weekly on NQ, looks like it's a massive trend line right now, right through here. So that's just something to monitor. Took that M1 long this morning off breaker, keeping it simple. Shout out to Nick. Oh, what's up, Isaiah? Guessing Isaiah took this one. He got it at 937. Yeah, this isn't a bad trade. It's just it was a little early for me. Like this is playing the manipulation back into this hourly FEG, right? What's that 15-minute look like? First 15-minute print is kind of crazy. Yeah, make sure you guys like the stream. Maybe do a giveaway later. Actually, we will do a giveaway later. Ooh, big pump right there.
I'm about to have this hourly gap tag. Dude. RTY looks spicy, bro.
Yeah, this 10 more minutes can be pretty interesting. Because what do you do if NQ inverses the hourly gap to the upside and ES is still in it? Do you lean bearish or bullish, Matt?
I would probably, I'm not gonna lie, I would probably drop focus on those two and then just focus on RTY. But we still have an SMT in the hourly gap with the Dow Jones. So I'm really not like losing sight of short just yet.
Yeah,
It's just gonna be based off of how the 5-minute looks or reactions. If we just continue ripping higher, then clearly we're not looking for something. Clearly. So we'll have this set in here.
Oh, you're
Yeah, Jack, if it's been removed, balance, you'll be good, bro.
What happened?
He said he got his payout approved and it's been removed from his April.
Yeah, no, you're good to go. You got the green light.
Yeah.
Now this is not an SMT with NASDAQ. This is an SMT with YM.
Yeah, good trade on that order block long.
I'm liking this reaction so far from that tag. Just need a nice sized candle. If this 5-minute candle can close right below and violate this bullish fair value gap, create the inverse and the order block at the same time, that'll be my
just
go
shorter,
ahead.
right?
Yeah.
Clean AMD, yeah. Good stuff. You had the accumulation, manipulation. Now you're looking for the distribution. But you already got the manipulation, so you could really call it a day. It may want to manipulate a little higher too.
I would prefer this 5-minute candle not to confirm anything. And then the next 5-minute candle from 9:55 to 10 close below. And then the new 4-hour and hourly 10 o'clock candle has the open high, tags us in to then go lower.
Yeah. 1000% was looking at SMT on the 4 hours, giving confidence along. Got internal wins liquidity at 25 tooth. Yeah. Not a whole lot of gaps on the upside on ES, by the way. Like, there's no, like, if you wanted a long, what are you longing from on ES? And you're like, well, I longed in Q, but then if you longed in Q, you'd want ES to kind of be in suit. So to me, it kind of smells some bullshit. I know.
This is good. All right, so now we have this 5-minute bearish reaction from that gap. I want this 5-minute candle, if we're gonna get shorts, to come down and close below here.
Yeah, IFEG. I'm guessing.
Yeah, IFEG and order block.
Are you looking at YM shorts, right? Like RTY?
I'm looking at ES right now.
Oh,
There we go. I want us to get below that, violate this gap, and I want to short. If that happens, you need to post absolute cinema. I'll make I'll tell ChatGPT to fix it around so it mimics the post of the guy standing with the suit and the explosion in the background.
90-minute as well, Matt.
Not even better. Yeah, this is good.
so y'all can kind of see the setups we're taking here. I mean, yeah. Got 4 more minutes. Also, kind of got breaker here too. All right. Forgive me if I'm not reading the chat. I'm kind of trying to dial in right here right now. So I got everything I needed to the upside. Now I just want to see lower time frame displacement, which is what we're getting. I don't hate any of these entries because the risk to reward is still going to be pretty good because you're playing a move down to here on ES, which is this daily January 21st low. NQ, don't really have as clean a targets. I guess you could do 595, which is like the daily volume imbalance low, like the fill. But
Need 2 more minutes and then we get our candle closure and then I'm a short.
I'm kind of leaning ES shorts here, guys. I don't NQ. If both of them already tagged our point of interest, why would you not short the weaker one? You know what I mean? Plus, this is the one that actually has like a daily low I can target. So I think I'm gonna join Matt alongside him and short ES. Another minute or so.
Yeah, we got minute 15.
I'll leave some. I probably wouldn't classify this as like an A setup, but like it's I'll probably do like an A minus. I mean, I guess that is an A setup, right?
I'm gonna get these limits set.
Yeah, I gotta get mine set too.
Hey.
I agree, Trader Chore. liked it at first, but like now I'm slowly starting to like not like it. What time is it? What am I doing? I'm gonna go ahead and just set these things.
Fine.
I guess I'm tagged in. So I'm tagged in right here. We got the close anyway, so is what it is.
Order filled.
I'm in.
Everyone's in.
Yeah.
The only thing I don't like is it's right at 10 a.m. So I'm leaving a little bit of gunpowder left in case 10 a.m. wants to do some crazy open high on the hourly and stop me out and then proceed lower. But if not, I'm just gonna keep this trade going. And also I don't like how NQ didn't close below, but overall, pretty good trade. Yeah, gonna mark if it's close. Yeah, I would mark if it's close.
That alerts to the Dow Jones at 49,215.
I think a good spot to TP or break even somewhere down here if you want to, this low. The Apex didn't extend the sale, by the way.
I don't think so. They would have sent an email out.
You'd be surprised, bro. They're a little, you know how like they'd be a little, like,
Dude, CPI and NFP are next week. They're definitely going to extend some bullshit.
yeah. Well, sometimes
See.
what I've done, I've noticed, or some people sent me is like they say they end the sale or whatever, or they don't like they say that the sale's ending, and then like 2 hours later or like the next day, people will check the website, and they can still get 90% off. So just
Wow.
Yeah, I've done that before.
Matt, what do you think about going break even at this swing low right here?
If you want to, let's say here I'll say this. If you run this low here, if you run this low, I'd drag my stop to the 5-minute candle high from 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay, I like that too. By the way, guys, this is an A- setup, so I'm kind of risking like 700, 690 a trade. Is my YouTube live chat working, by the way? Because no one's typed in a couple minutes. There's 170 people in here, so yo, well, maybe y'all just locking in or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, working.
There.
Everyone's
Here.
watching this trade, that's why.
Working fine. We're all here. Awesome. Good stuff. I feel like crap. Locked in. I don't like how close it is to 10 a.m., which was why. Like it's just personal preference at this point for me. That's why. The A-
Apex
for
has no
me,
consistency rule? Yes, they do. Are you talking about evaluations or PAs?
Yeah, for valuation, there's none.
he's probably talking about
Evaluations, there's
evaluations.
nothing.
Locked in. Well, pretty good setup, yeah. Are you using Trade Copier? Yeah, I'm using Trade Copia. I should probably put that up here. Trade Copia. Yeah, I'll show y'all. I think Matt uses Trade Copia too, so. It copies like all the accounts over, so this is currently what we're rocking here. What is the hourly? So the hourly put in a solid open high. I like that. Oh, good job, Dylan. Yeah, like honestly, for majority of you, I'd probably make it a free trade if we run this 930 low, right? Yeah. Oh, back to the A minus thing. What's A minus for me is like when you start going from like A to B, like that's okay. We can find some similarities in there, but when you get
I'm
like pluses
reducing
and
my risk
minus,
right now.
okay, yeah, I'm going. I'll probably leave my stop where it's at. I'm gonna buy two back.
My stop is now at this 5 minute candle high.
I almost bought on
Yeah,
NQ.
same as that.
I almost bought on NQ. Could you have imagined? So I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna drag this because I want to give this a little breathing room as well. So I'm gonna go 5 here, but I've already locked in the profit. So if it comes back to that, it's a pretty much a break-even day for me. And then I'm gonna keep the rest down here where my original buy stop, buy limit. Boom. So far I've already locked in two. So if this comes back to here, yeah, if this comes back and takes me out, it's a break-even day. If it hits, obviously it's a pretty big day. And if this trade hits TP and we can get the 200 viewers with like, I don't know how many likes we got right now, Kieran. Can you check?
We are 41 likes.
41? Guys, come on.
Yeah,
There's
we got
187 people. What are we doing?
Stop watching the trade and like the stream. You guys are too emotional.
The trade's already. The trades is what it is. Like you got your stop loss set, you got your limit set. We took some partials. Like from here, it's just, it is what it is. But people are still commenting on this freaking wheel. Hey Nick, due to the partial government shutdown, NFP got moved to next week. I'm just showing y'all how to pass the accounts. It doesn't matter about.
That's just the internet for you. You
People
give
just trying
out
to
good
rage bait me,
information and they worry about those like complete.
Bro, you
wrong
tune
part of
out.
the video.
You tune out the people in the crowd.
Oh, I do. It's just it's just I find it funny because NFP got canceled right when I released that video. I'm like, watch people comment, and then that's exactly what's happening. That's the way the odds. I don't want to hear comments unless it's NFP.
77 likes. We can push that to 100 for a giveaway, surely.
I'm gonna put free trade pretty much.
About to have a 5-minute bearish fair value gap here in the next 10
That I'm
seconds.
actually gonna move my stop to what you said to that 10 a.m. high.
Yeah.
Because that would give it, okay, so that's 7 points right there. I got 5 contracts left. 7. Yeah, this would actually be an in profit day. It would be barely in profit, but when you combine like all the accounts, it adds up. But yeah. The breaker on NQ looks cleaner. Did you use the same data time frame transfer with the market breaker on ES? It looked cleaner on NQ, yes, but ES was weaker, and on top of that, ES got this closure right here at 9:55, right at 10 o'clock. So, like if both assets are moving the same, it just comes down to clear and cleaner, right? NQ ES is cleaner, and it has the clear draw because this draw is this January 21st low. NQ is kind of, I don't really know where. I said the daily volume imbalance from November 21st, like the low of that, I guess. But I like ES's draw better. Man better know I'm not clicking that. I'm not watching that video, bro. I'm not watching it.
Let me watch it for you.
Matt, have you taken any TPs yet?
No. I'm just looking for 1 to 2.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm up fat from yesterday, so.
Honestly, what if we put 3 here? And we did 5 there. And then we did another 2 down here. Let's see. TradeWise Select Pass. Let's freaking go, baby. I can't screenshot the whole thing because like I run out of room to scroll. But this is sort of what we're looking at right now on this trade. About $1,000, like 1,300, 1,100 locked in right now, or 200. Once we run this low, I'm gonna take off 3, and I'm gonna hold some runners, just in case we want to continue bearish. On Tuesday, high of a leak. Thursday should expand, and I'll move those in profit. But just kind of show y'all. Oh, it's all good, bro.
Filled.
Ba-bang. Ba-bang.
Well,
What's that?
oh, you had a
I had
little,
I think I had my TP was a little, I mean, I don't know.
a
My
little
micro
higher.
was,
Okay, I was wondering because I was
my
like, bro,
micro is,
like what's going on here?
my micro is just got taken out.
he
My
he got.
bad.
Hey,
I
chat.
think
He
I had
got.
my TP was at 6815.5.
Nah,
Which
chat.
was
I
a
think he
1 or
has
2.
those Israeli charts, bro, from yesterday.
Yeah.
All right, it doesn't matter because it should be right. It should be right
Watching
here.
it.
All right, there
Watching
it
it
is.
edge.
There it
There we
is. There
go.
it is. There it
There
is.
we go.
All right, full fucking TP, guys. I want to see
GG's, go.
fucking W spamming the fucking chat.
Yeah, by the way, can
Are
we
you
get
fucking
W's?
kidding me, bro? Spam W's in the chat if you fucking took that trade.
I love it when Matt gets hype, bro. It's just so it's sensational.
That was fucking phenomenal. We literally called this out to the T. Lower prices in the beginning. We created the trade plan. Hourly bearish fair value gap. We waited for price to give us the tip of the hand for our actual displacement in the opposing direction. And then we executed. That is exactly how you fucking do it every day.
I'm about one more here.
Every day. That shit played out so perfect.
That was perfect. Did we not mark that chart up, Matt? Like we marked up the hourly gap. Well, I drew an arrow, and people were like, "Why are you just watching the hourly chart?" I'm like, "Bro, like I can't do anything until like it's hit."
Let's fucking go. 10K day. K4 just passed his first ever evaluation. We're fucking eating this week, bro.
Matt hype. I love it when Matt's hype. So
Fucking kidding me.
I had 7 contracts running. I got 1 going right now, just in case we want to go lower. But it's pretty much paid in full, bro. It's pretty much paid in full. Just in case we want to do some black swan thing like we did yesterday and just keep dumping lower, like I want to be a part of it a little bit. Where my long traders at? Where my long traders at? I'm just kidding. Not really. It's okay with long up to here, to this fair value gap. But then from there, you're kind of like, you're going against order flow from that point. RT Jeffrey would be long this. I got past my account, bro. By the way, chat, drop 1 in the chat if you guys took that. A W in the chat. And you guys caught that. YouTube and
Holy
Discord.
W.
Good stuff. And Jack, he's ready, bro. Jack got that first trade on his funded post payout. Now from here, I'm probably just gonna slam this thing right here.
That man on my feet. That's why.
That's how we do it. You're fucking awesome. I would be awesome, but the thing is, it goes both ways. If I catch a losing trade, I suck. Right? Oh, thanks, Jack. Funded with Lucid? Yeah, good stuff. Which Lucid accounts do you pick up, by the way? It's 10:15. I'm already done for my day. What do I do now? Make sure to like the stream. We'll do a giveaway here shortly because I'm done for the day. I mean, I don't. Obviously, I may stream a little bit more, but probably do like 10, 15, 20 more minutes. Time to golf now. I would. It's too cold here. It's cold and rainy, so I can't really golf. One question: so you don't wait for the FEG inside the breaker? Nah, bro. I mean, well, what's the point of that? Price is displacing. It's mainly just due to displacement. Right? Look at this displacement from here to here. Like, if this continues, you're not gonna get a fair value gap. And you already know where price is going, so like, why do you need a cute little fair value gap to be put in? That's just me. But don't confuse that with taking breakers with no FEGs just because you see stuff. Like we map this thing out. Like if you watch my video yesterday on YouTube and Matt's video I think last Thursday or Wednesday, it's all the same stuff. It's just step by step by step. Yesterday I actually had a losing trade. I got stopped out. It was pretty light risk though because I was only basing off of like the M5, M15.
Oh my
I think I'll
god.
take that as a compliment, OG.
I remember there's no NFP tomorrow. Thanks for reminding me. I get so pressed.
We're fucking cooking.
Is that even a question? Are you not even entertained, bro? Are you not entertained? We both took ES.
We are cooking. Well, I'm done for the day. And I hope you guys are too.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to make a little journal entry and mark this all up.
Yes, sir. Don't know if you guys answer this, but you consider using weekly and daily profile. If it's there, it's there. Like obviously, my favorite profile is like a New York reversal. But I mean, I can just look at this and be like Tuesday high of week. After yesterday, I was like, okay, yeah, it's definitely Tuesday high of week. That's all you really need to know.
Next and racks and
Yeah, hourly to M5 is really a bread and butter, bro. Like you're not gonna get a whole lot of setups on that, but like if you're patient enough and like you just wait and like just like a hunting a deer in the woods, bro. It's gonna be a better setup. But look at this hourly, bro. Like once this hourly closed at 10 o'clock and I enter my trade, I'm like, bro, this looks not very good for longs. Like even if I
we're
get stopped
so
out,
good, bro. We are so good.
Look at RTY. Printing piano keys.
Fuck that.
I would play some music right now, but this thing will get taken down into copyright.
Oh yeah, I got copyright hit on every
did you?
single one of my live streams. I play music every single time. I don't give a fuck.
I mean, I don't even know why I have it on. Like, I think if you don't have it on and you play music, I think you're fine, right? Like mine.
I have no idea.
I
I'm
don't
being
know.
honest with you.
Someone just told me to turn it on.
Got no friends on next to me. And
Yeah, let's go, OG. Stick to it.
let's go, OG. Bang bang.
We've actually been on a generational run for the last like 2 months.
It has just been unfair. There's a reason why TradeWise goes down when we go live stream on YouTube.
Yeah, yeah,
There's
that's
a
a good
fucking
point.
reason.
Yeah, live
Our win rate must be
the
like
live stream, guys.
70%, surely.
Easy. It is very rare for us to be on the wrong side of the market. And if we are and we take a loss, 99% of the time, the day will be a seek and destroy profile.
Yeah, literally. We either get taken out by Seek and Destroy or Trump candles.
Yep.
Oh, we got
We
96 likes on
almost
stream.
got taken
Yeah,
out by Trump yesterday.
I know.
So close.
Okay, so we filled that daily volume imbalance on NQ. I don't really know what else. I mean, you could reach for at this point. I mean, it's got to be the November 21st low.
Literally,
I mean, there ain't nothing
butter,
there. I'm just holding this thing down to here. Even one runner is gonna almost make my profit 30% bigger. ES lower possibly.
I mean, I don't see why it would come up and retake this 10 a.m. high. We could probably go down to that. By the end of the day, we could go down to that 6772 level realistically.
Fucking perfect. Literally perfect.
Yeah, RT, it's just the next side, sell side liquidity on the higher time frame. If we're going to continue bearish, then that would be the next target. Oh, good kid.
That was 6-7 crap, man.
I know friends all next to me, enemy to come. And we're literally making our way back up to another fucking payout.
Oh, we're dumping a little bit, guys. I still got that runner holding. All right, let's get the likes up. We're about to do a giveaway here soon. And 6, 7. Huh. Let's see. Oh. Continuing lower.
I hope that I spelled undeniable right. Undeniable.
Probably would have been safe to use a different word. That was a little safer, you know what I mean?
I got it.
Still holding. 6-7-71. Yeah. Well, I should just move TP to 6-7-6-7. How about that? I'm gonna say keep moving my stop down. Literally just travel your stop all the way down to that next sell side. Fuck it.
An absolute flow state, gang. Oh my god.
Yeah. 6-7-7-2.
All right. Yeah, I'm gonna take off, and I'm going live on Blue Guardian Futures at 11 o'clock. So, GG's everybody. I'm happy that we caught a banger again today. Just another day in business, another day in the office. But if you have any questions for me, put it in the trading room, and everybody in YouTube chat, be safe. Good luck if you do anything else, and have a great rest of your day.
Take it easy, Matt.
Easy, bro.
This is everybody.
Was your stop on the? No, I took mine off the breaker, but it was also a forever model. Like if as soon as Matt got a close below this 935 candle, his stop, was like up here, and the breaker short was right here for me. So it looks like we had like 6 points of drawdown. Then from there, it just dumped.
Yeah, that was so fire.
My stop was right here.
We actually haven't had manipulation like that into a higher time frame fair value gap of the open in a while. It's kind of just been continuation, please.
Complete. We'll do a Fun and Next rapid giveaway for the next 8 minutes. Type in exclamation point Nick, and then I gotta do another giveaway in here.
Give me likes for 100, guys.
Is there really one more like? Dang, bro.
Someone doesn't like now, I'm gonna enter the giveaway to ruin your guys' chances.
So like this is what I mean by like you don't need more trades, like you need more capital, right? Oh man, I just got a funny text. Because if you just get like 1 or 2 trade setups like this per week on one 50K account, it's not gonna seem like a lot. But if you do 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, that's enough, right? That's what I try to tell people.
That's a couple mortgages a month.
Yeah. What's up, Max? I'm on YouTube, bro. Oh my god. We just got banger trade, Max, and like half the chat left. So Matt even dipped. Matt was like, "I'm going to make sourdough bread and honey." It's right here on YouTube. If you go to my YouTube stream. If we hit this, I'll stay around to the giveaway, and then I'm probably gonna dip. Only like an hour stream though. This is pretty good. You know, we came in here, looked for what we need to look for, and then we dipped. Oh my god! By the way, guys, I did a giveaway, and someone asked, "Hey, if I win the giveaway, can you trade the account for me and get it back once it's funded?" I'm like, bro, I've never seen that question before. And no, I was not live on TikTok. Why did you choose the 9 a.m. candle as a break instead of the 9:30 candle? What? A 9:30. I mean, it's the same price. I don't think it's that matter. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. Like, this is the last move down. before the move up that takes all this liquidity, right? I don't know what this candle is in here. This is just a candle inside of it. Like, yeah, take it easy, bro. Yeah, it was valid on NQ. I mean, I just liked ES because it was much weaker.
Yeah, and had a way better draw.
It had a way better draw because ES had not taken this January 21st low. I was like, okay, that's where we're going, and that's it. 2 minutes left on the giveaway. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel to be entered.
The party. Oh yeah, I know. See the one you mean? They should go lower now. I think the failure swings at the top is just a target for a market maker buy model in the future.
Yeah.
My eyes for YM is if you look on the daily RT and
Let's
see
find
that
a
like daily fair value gap from 47,550. It's all just low resistance liquidity above that.
Oh my god. All right, another minute left in the giveaway. Oh, my wife's Louis Vuitton gets here. That's great. There's just so much going on in my personal group chat. Like I need to dip out of this stream right now. It's going great. I'm feeling a little sick, but other than that, this trades, a winning trade makes it better, right? Like on a, yeah, I know, right? %. We live back on here tomorrow too. 25 seconds left on the giveaway. There's 40 people that submitted tickets. Just type in exclamation point Nick. All right. What's not for you? It's a funded next giveaway. Yeah, now the Apex ones, obviously you got the activation fee, but I mean, if you tell me like I pass the account and I'm funded, all I gotta do is pay the activation fee. I'm more than happy to do that. Because if you don't want to do that, then just go get a straight to sim funded with TradeWise. You know what I mean?
Yeah, right.
How many payouts have you had right now to asking for motivation? About 22K this month, or January, sorry. Nothing this month so far. It's only the 5th. I do a lot of stuff on personal too, so. The Lightning account.
I've actually been preferring the personal trading recently.
If those 3 winners can DM me on Instagram, that'd be great. Hopefully this thing just takes me out because I really don't want to watch this anymore. Just DM me on Instagram. once every 2 weeks. I treat it like a bi-weekly paycheck with a normal job.
Yeah, CK Trades, what I did is I started with like a 10K account, built it up to like 40K, and then I just kept that as my baseline. Then just every like $2,000 I make, I just take it out.
Are you risking like 1,000 per trade, Kieran?
Yeah, about 1,000. I normally go to, depends on the setup, normally about like between 2 and 3%.
Mm-hmm.
But I kind of just use it for like A plus setups.
Take anyone for 2 on the week. %. Yeah, just DM me on Instagram. Or you can DM me on Discord. It doesn't matter. All right. Any last second questions? Bitcoin's going to 49.5. You heard it here first. ES, I don't really care what happens here. Like I had 7 contracts I think I took. If we want to continue dying, I have something on, but if we come up, I'm stopping profit. So yes, this trade was valid on NQ because if you look at NQ, same thing. We got the IFEG closure. ES was just a little bit cleaner, and it was weaker, so that helped. And it had a bear draw, so. Yeah, I'll fill. Yeah. I just saw you DM me. Let's see. Yeah, I'll send out the type forms later for tomorrow's weekly call on the mentorship. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Gotta end it here once this thing gets hit. Any last second questions? Take Profit Trader is awesome. Like, I have a prop firm tier video coming out Saturday this week. Like, I have, like, if I were to add this, I actually am trading Take Profit Trader right now too. So I just don't want to flood this whole chart with all the trading accounts. Like any of these, I recommend. Yeah. Yeah, if you use code Nick, you get 40% off, and there's no activation fee. For the longest time, they had activation fees, and that's what I don't like, because the accounts are so freaking expensive. I just click a link, bro, in the description. Yeah, hopefully I answered your question. Yeah, good job. I'm in the stream at 10:45. Nah, they just got rid of me. I was like, okay, cool. I really didn't even. The last couple months, I didn't really enjoy it that much. I still don't know why they let me go, but I could care less. All right, 1 for 1 actually 1 for 2 on the week. I did take a small loss. I'll show it to you guys right now. Yesterday, with a 5-minute here from yesterday. It was kind of BS though. It was when Trump was talking about China. I sold this right here once we closed below, and then this is the China Trump tweet candle. Took me out and then dumped. I was like, whatever. But yeah, I'd say in the stream here, the winners can DM me on Instagram or Discord. I'll send those over, and we'll be live back here tomorrow at 9:15. So, how do you manage if you were to start today your first prop firm from scratch? I'll probably go TradeWise. TradeWise 150K selects right now. I think 40% off, like I don't know, like 190 or $200, or do the 50Ks. I'd start with TradeWise, get a payout, then go 20 on Apex, and then or fund index futures. Really, these top three, honestly, none of these you can't. Any of these firms, just pick an account. Really, like you can't go wrong with any of these firms. Zizu. Probably that answers your question, but yeah, the Lucid Flex is really good too. All right, see y'all back here tomorrow. Take it easy, guys. Peace.
Take it easy, everyone.